Hello everybody, I'm sick right now, but I have this cool typewriter that I like to show you. Look at it, look how cool it is. But the problem is, it doesn't work because I don't have paper on it. But look at it. Oh snap. What did I do to G? No! What did I do to G? No, that's stuck. No, I need to grab it out. Oh snap. I can try E though. Look, if I press E, it won't work because it's like stuck. But it is cool though. I'm just pushing it further. No, I've broken it. No, there's no way no, I can probably fix it.